Hello. Hey, hi everyone. Welcome back to the next session of SAP ABAP on HANA training series, and thank you for choosing the tutorials. So, guys, in the continuation of our previous session only, in this session we will discuss about AMDP procedure and AMDP function. What is the main difference between that? As we have learned the new concept, which is CDS table function. So, in this this session, we will discuss about the differentiation between the ABAP function and AMDP function and AMDP procedure. Okay, let me get something. Okay, let's give it normal only. Okay, one place. Let me write here. Here's AMDP procedure and here AMDP function. I hope this one is beautiful. Okay, let me increase the font size. Guys. Uh, yeah. So what is this AMDP procedure, guys? As we have already know, like what is this normal procedures? You can say like AMD procedures. There is not that much difference. Both are typically same only, but the main difference is some of them are AMDP procedure. Or declaration is same, only some syntax code change. Okay, AMDP procedure implementation implementation can be consumed by our ABAP program, है ना? By our ABAP program directly. As we have seen, guys, in our previous sessions, like we can directly call this AMDP procedure directly into our ABAP program. Okay, but this AMDP function implementation, okay, cannot be called by an ABAP program directly. Okay, but how can we call them? But they, once again, but they can be called from other AMDP functions or procedures. Okay. What I was saying is, let me go back to the system. You can logo is missing. Yeah. Let me go back to the system. Here you can see this one we have created our AMDP function here. Okay. Let's try this. Okay. Let me go back and let me create a report. This is my AMDP function. This is my class. Copy this. Okay. Let me create a report. Program. The program. Click on next. Z consume AMDP function. Okay. Let's try. Okay. AMDP function consume. Click on next. Click on finish. As this one is my static method, so we can directly call this. Okay. I will go there. Just give me a moment, guys. Push the system. This is there. Tank. Okay, so what is this AMDP procedure, guys? So these AMDP procedures, we can call them directly into our ABAP programs, but these AMDP function, we cannot implement that into our ABAP program. Let me try equals to, I will do control space, get your details, 6 plus enter. Save this. What is this error is? This is saying, so guys, the method get your detail is defined as an implementation of CDS table or scalar and cannot be directly called by other programs. So we cannot directly call these AMDP functions into our other programs. I hope this one is clear, guys. Okay. Now the next one is AMDP procedures. One second, let me try to change the font. Yeah, this one is clear, I think. So the AMDP procedure cannot be consumed by the CDS views. Okay, we cannot consume it into our CDS views. But these AMDP functions, okay, these AMDP functions can be consumed by by the other CDS view via the CDS table function. How can we call them into another CDS view? Using the CDS table function. Okay. Now, the next main difference is AMDP. How can we declare this? AMDP procedure uses the addition by database procedure of the method statement in the AMDP class. Okay. But this AMDP, once again, AMDP function use the addition. What we use there, guys? Addition by database function of the method statement. This is what, look here, this is what I am trying to tell you over there. Okay, so here what we use is we use by database function, and previously what we used to do the by database procedure. You can go and watch my previous sessions. Okay, I hope this one is clear to everyone, guys. Now the next one comes up with, next one is by here AMDP. Once again, this is very important, guys. Okay, AMDP procedure supports importing and exporting parameters, okay, and can return multiple result sets. But inside this, okay, inside this, what we can do is whatever we are having there into our table function, we can use only then, okay, but we can declare our own also. Once again, let me open this. Okay, so unlike AMDP procedure implementation, AMDP function implementations also have no inside this AMDP functions method implementation, or you can say implementation don't have any export parameters. Okay, we cannot give there any export parameters. Okay, they have which parameters? Importing and returning parameter. Okay, they are having only importing and returning parameters. Okay, guys. Okay. So, what is the use case of this one? If you will say, sir, why we are learning this AMDP procedure? Okay, we are learning this AMDP procedure because let's say if you want to create a web report, okay, where you want to code, where you want to do the push down approach to fetch data based on some complex logic that you think cannot be handled by the CDS views only. What I am saying is why you will go with AMDP procedure when you want to create any ABAP report where you want a code push down approach to what is that code push down? We have learned already to code push down approach to fetch the data based on some complex logic, but those logics cannot be fulfilled using the CDS view or need multiple result sets in return. In such case, we can use this AMDP procedure. Okay, AMDP procedure cannot be used as a data source for other CDS views. I hope this one is clear, guys, what I am trying to tell you here. So the main use case of this AMD procedure, whenever we want to use some complex logic, okay, at the time we can use this. And what is the use case of this AMDP function? The use case of this AMDP function, for example, in case you want to create a consumption CDS view, okay, building upon multiple CDS views for some your Flash Fury application, okay. Let's say in any of the CDS view, you want to use any native HANA. Okay, if you want to use any native HANA feature, in such case, you can use the AMDP function wrapped in the CDS table function. Okay, and it can be used as a data source. What is that? It can be Second, it can be used as a data source. Once again, as a data source for other CDS views or ABAP reports. Okay, I will show you. Okay, is this one clear, guys? What is the use case of this AMDP procedure and AMDP function? I hope this one is clear to everyone. Okay. So, guys, in our coming up session, what we will discuss is we will discuss more about this use case of this AMDP function, why we came up with the approach which is known as AMDP functions. Okay. So, guys, that's all for this session. Let's see in the next session with a new concept of this main use cases of this table function. Why we came up with the concept of table function. We will discuss more about this. Okay. So that's all for this session, guys. See you in the next session. Have a good day. Bye bye.